In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add an online booking bar in Housecall Pro step by step, so you can start taking bookings directly from your website or social media. Whether you're a new user or just looking to expand your business, this feature can drastically simplify scheduling and improve your customer experience. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can access this software completely for free, plus exclusive bonuses to help you grow your business right now. Housecall Pro is a fantastic tool for managing appointments, invoices, and customer communications all in one place. The online booking bar is a feature that lets your customers book services directly through a quick, easy-to-access bar that appears on your website. This is incredibly useful because it allows your clients to book with you at their convenience 24/7 without having to contact you directly. So how do you add this online booking bar to your website? Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll want to look for the Online Booking section under the Customer tab. Here, you'll find various customization options for the online booking experience. Next, enable the online booking bar by selecting the option to display it on your website. You can customize the look of the bar, choose its color to match your branding, and adjust its positioning on your page. This ensures it's both visible and fits with the overall design of your site. You can even decide if you want the bar to be static, always visible, or if you want it to appear only when your customer is ready to book a service. After you've customized the look of the booking bar, it's time to link it to your scheduling. This is where you can integrate your available services and set your availability. You'll be prompted to select which services will be available for booking through the bar. Keep in mind, it's important to be specific here and make sure the services offered align with what's available on your calendar. You don't want customers to book something you're unavailable to provide. Now, once everything is configured, Housecall Pro generates a simple piece of code for you to copy. This is the code for the online booking bar. Head over to your website's content management system, whether it's WordPress, Wix, or whatever platform you're using, and paste this code into the header or footer of your website, depending on where you want the bar to appear. If you're using WordPress, there's a plugin that makes this process even easier, so be sure to check that out if you're using WordPress. Once it's embedded, refresh your website, and voila. Your online booking bar should now be live, allowing your customers to book appointments directly from your site without any hassle. Adding this booking bar not only makes booking easier for your customers, but it also helps streamline your operations, reducing the back and forth communication. It's the kind of small addition that can have a big impact on customer satisfaction and ultimately your bottom line. Remember, you can use Housecall Pro completely free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value out of the software to boost your business's efficiency. So there you have it. How to add an online booking bar in Housecall Pro. This simple yet powerful feature can make a huge difference in how you manage your scheduling. Don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial by clicking the link below.